Hi and hello, welcome to eCast Cloud. This is Sri Hari Vishnu speaking. In this particular video, we will learn about how to create Windows VM in Azure account. I think earlier earlier video, how to create Windows VM in VMware workstation, right? But here in how to create Windows VM in Azure account. Before enter into the Azure portal, we have to see some path because easily understand how to create it very easily, right? First of all, go into the Azure portal and then create resource group. I think how to create resource group in last video. Do uncheck, okay, and then create VM. Click create VM and resource group. Name right, Hari RG, because our creator group name is Hari RG. Enter into the Hari RG and VM name. It should be is your choice, right? And the source group name it should be your choice. And region it should be East US. And availability zone no infra. And info image it should be a 2019 server because we have in free trial, right? So that's what. And the size, um, we will be select minimum size, basic size, and you put username and password and select inbound port. You should be add RDP plus HTTP and license confirm and review create and create. This is the path to create the VM. And now how to create actually. First of all, create resource group. Sorry, go to create and then create. Validation passed. Once validation passed, you can click create. Okay, or this is group created, and go to the virtual machine option and create VM machine and select your old Hari RG because now we have now we will create, right? We have been create virtual name. It's your choice. Here I can give Windows. Availability zone no infrastructure X because we are in free trial, right? I think many times I'll tell this. And select Windows Server 2019 and size. I think this is the minimum price, so we can click this minimum. And username it's your choice, but here I will give you this my name. Password should be included lowercase, uppercase, and special character. So act accordingly. And public inbound port, you can select HTTP as well as RDP. And once validation passed, you can click create. Okay, and check. Well, validation passed and click create. Well, I think this will take 2 to 3 minutes to create VM in Azure account. So keep calm until deployment is done. After creating VM, our next video will we will see how to with VM how to get into the remote RDP remote desktop. Okay, and this is our next video. Keep wait and watch. It might be 2 to 3 minutes as you said earlier, right? So same, that's a few seconds ago. And until we can close this all, because this is our history in our in this account. 14,469 it's remaining. This is only 24 days, I think. This is actually 30 days, but already 6 days gone. Yeah, your deployment is complete. Till your deployment complete status shown. Yeah, okay, go to resource. Yes, finally we have created a new VM called Windows in our Microsoft Azure account. This is the way to create VM. Okay. Yeah, okay guys, I hope this video is very important for every who are studying cloud me. Okay, I'll see you in the next class. Thank you so much.